In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two charts in TradingView. TradingView is a powerful tool for analyzing financial markets, and being able to compare different charts side by side can provide you with valuable insights into market trends and divergences. So, let's dive right in and explore how to do just that. To begin, you'll want to have your primary chart open in TradingView. Once you're all set up with your main chart, direct your attention to the top toolbar on your TradingView interface. There, you'll notice an icon with a plus sign which is labeled Compare or Add Symbol. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a dialog where you can enter the symbol of the second chart you want to compare. Once you've entered the symbol, you will be presented with a few options on how you'd like the second symbol to be displayed on your chart. These options are crucial as they determine how effectively you can interpret the relative performance of each symbol. So let's explore them a bit further. The first option is Same Percent Scale. This aligns both symbols as normalized 100% baselines. What this means is that both charts will start at the same point, allowing you to see percentage changes over time rather than absolute price movements. This option is particularly useful if you're interested in comparing how different instruments have performed relative to each other. It's often used when both symbols are within the same asset class or sector, providing clarity on outperformers or laggards over a given period. The second option you have is New Price Scale. Selecting this will add a second y-axis to your chart, which is ideal when the prices of the symbols you're comparing differ significantly, such as when you want to compare a high-priced stock with a lower-priced one. This option allows each symbol to maintain its own price scale, which can give you a clearer, more accurate picture of their movements without one overshadowing the other due to huge price differences. Lastly, you can choose New Pane. This will place the second symbol in a separate chart pane below the main chart. This is especially handy if you want to keep each chart's data wholly separate but still want them visible on the same screen for easy comparison. It helps keep clutter to a minimum while still providing a comprehensive view of both data sets. Once you've made your choice, the overlay will appear instantly on your chart, showcasing the relative performance of the two symbols. With this setup, you can begin analyzing how these instruments move in relation to each other, providing valuable insights into potential trading opportunities. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently compare two charts in TradingView and enhance your market analysis capabilities.